Decided to run the Happy Home for a little bit tonight. I run it every once in a while. Haven't ran it in a few weeks, so I'm gonna run it tonight while I have the time. Just started it up, so it's a little cold right now. It sounds like it's running a hell of a lot smoother than it used to. I don't know. It's been sitting back there. I think it's starting to warm up. It's also on the floor, so it's vibrating the floor. Kind of a little bit of motor hum, but not that much. You can definitely hear it whining. Just gonna put a few drops of oil in it, but then I decided to just see how it runs. This thing's not gonna run for most of the winter. It's just gonna be there. And then once the weather starts getting warmer again, then we could continue the project. Because I still have to paint, I don't know if I'm gonna, let me know. I might, because right now I kind of want to keep the blade. Right now I want to keep the blade set the way it is. But the front, okay, good. The front guard and the rear guard, I definitely want to repaint. So yeah, let me know if I should do anything to the blades. I still have to figure out what color I want to do the front and rear guard. Thinking either like a gray or kind of like a black. I don't know. All right. Here's high. Don't know how well you can hear the startup. This bitch is powerful. I'm not gonna run it for too long, but I'm just gonna run it. this is going to be the video for tonight. Because I have to figure out my storage situation for my phone, so I think I might just... The relevant videos that I got already, I think I might just kind of just upload those separately. And then delete those. That's 703 right now. Yeah, there's your little update on the Happy Home. Or the big Happy Home, it's not little. But yeah, there's your update on the Happy Home.